Hello and welcome to Cook Your Life. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Melanie Rodriguez Gonzalez and I'm a registered nutritional therapist and I'm a founder of Cook Your Life. In 2011 I was diagnosed with morbidly obese and I need to make a big change and decision in my life. I decided to change my life completely. I lost 7 stone. I'm here for you to share my story, share my recipes, and we're working all together. Cook Your Life is a community that is based on a healthy living. Share with you nutrition recipes and programs promote your immune system that are gut friendly, super yummy and very quick to make and super delicious. If you like, just subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up and enjoy that amazing community.